Hello. In this video I'm going to talk about the Wedge, and what this is this comes with your Cindy Woodcraft long and S-shaped looms. Now I'm going to be talking about the ones for the long looms. Now what they have done is they have this wedge, comes with your loom, you push it down in there, and that gives you just a little circle you can do. You can put it anywhere just to make different size items. It's great for gloves, or if you're doing baby hats and you just have one loom, you can use these. Now up until now, the problem has been with these single peg wedges, the spacing on both sides of it is different than the spacing here if you have the 1/2 inch gauge loom, which that's what this is. So what they have done is they have came out with a 2-peg wedge, which is 1/2 inch spacing between it, which I'll push this in. Now even if at the looking at it from the top, you can see the spacing is pretty much the same all the way around. Now you can see how much of a difference there is on this side. So on this side, you may end up with fatter spaces in your finished project on both sides of this loom, just because the spacing isn't the exact same as the rest of it. Now with this, it's the same all the way around, so your project's going to look just pretty much flawless. So this is the latest item, which you can buy these by themselves, or they come with certain long looms. If it's a 1/2 inch gauge, this is the wedge you get. If it is a 5/8 inch gauge, this is the wedge you get. So that's really all I have to say about the wedge. Any questions or comments, please leave in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a nice day, and thank you for watching.